healthy breakfast ideas. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So I realized when I was editing this video that I didn't do an intro, so I'm here to do the intro for this video. If it's your first time coming across this channel, my name is Ruth Wambogo. Please welcome to the family and consider subscribing if you love this content. If you're a returning subscriber, you guys are the vibe. I love you and thank you for your continued support. So on today's video we have a fun topic. We are going to dive into simple breakfast ideas that are healthy. Yes, healthy breakfast ideas that you can do on the go and actually have fun with your breakfast and enjoy something refreshing in the morning. So that is what we're going to be doing on this video. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video and I hope we can have fun together. Let's get into it. Starting off, what you can see here, I'm making a salsa salad using onion and tomatoes, and I love using white onion because it's more palatable for me. And here I'm preparing my tomatoes and white onion. This is going to couple up with my sausages, which I'm preparing over here. They are almost done. Switch up your salad to your liking. I end up making this for my family because they don't mind the red onion and cucumbers in the salad. Next on in our favorite items to make for breakfast are eggs. I love eggs. I enjoy eating eggs and I eat a lot of them. And here I'm showing you how I just make my scrambled egg with cheese. So I'm going to use 2 eggs on this recipe. I'm going to add in all the spices I want. Mostly I add paprika, I add black pepper, and I add a bit of salt. Also I'm going to add a little bit of milk, like 3 spoonfuls. And then I'll beat that so nicely. You can use a whisk, you can use a fork, use whatever you have in your house. When that is done, I'm going to add grated cheese to my mix. I have mixed cheddar and mozzarella cheese. You can use a cheese of choice, but mostly cheddar cheese tastes so good with eggs, so that's what I'm going to use. The next step is just to get our eggs into the pan and cook them, and that's just how I love eating my scrambled eggs. This version tastes really good. You have to try it. Next on this recipe is yogurt. Yes, I love yogurt added up with fresh fruits. Yes, just up with fresh fruits. Any version, I love it. I'm here for it. So I already taught you how to make yogurt. This is actually yogurt I made from the house. I'm going right ahead and pouring some in my bowl and going to organize them there. I have some fresh kiwi fruit, so I'm just going to slice them and actually place them nicely. Look at how it is looking already. Fantastic. This is what I love to eat on my plate. Something colorful, something fun. I have apples, so I'm going right ahead and organizing that. And I have bananas, so I'm going to add a dash of bananas, not too much. Make sure you're also portioning it well because you just want the freshness. I have added bananas and I've also added a dash of honey. This is a bowl of goodness. This is one of my favorite things to enjoy in the morning, and it looks so colorful, and it's healthy, it's delicious, it's nutritious. Yeah, all those kind of jazz. Enjoy if you will try this, and I'm sure you will love it. On those days that you spent a little bit more time in bed and you woke up and it was already hot, I like to pour myself a drink. Yes, mostly fresh juice if I made some in my fridge, or if I don't have, I still enjoy buying packeted juices, and mostly those with less sugar, so I will pour a glass of that. I'll also enjoy fresh fruits. I really enjoy fresh oranges, and I can go right ahead and use my chia seeds like you see in this clip. Do the fruits, mangoes, bananas, and I pour in a bit of chia seeds which have been soaked overnight, and I eat my pudding like this. How colorful is this? This is so nutritious, it's refreshing, it's perfect for the hot weather, and it's full of flavor. So this is also something else I enjoy on the go, and especially those lazy days, Sundays, Saturdays, you know. So fresh fruits, right now we have mangoes and they're in season. Enjoy more mangoes as you can because they're fresh, they are juicy, and they are all nutritious. On this, I want to enjoy a fresh breeze. I'm going outside, and here I'm just going to show you my simple setup of another idea, and I'm just waking up to fresh fruits and water. Yes, I will have a cupcake later and a cup of tea or coffee, but yeah, mostly I can pour a drink, I can pour my juice, I can pour a glass of water and enjoy fresh fruits. Here I'm just showing you melon, watermelon, and fresh oranges, and I've also poured myself a glass of Del Monte juice. When nights become fun, yes, I'm here with my boyfriend. Hello. Once you make the samosas, you can save some for breakfast because these are protein samosas. They have meat inside and they are very, very delicious in the morning with a cup of tea. So what I do, I can make a good batch, eat some at night, and then save some for morning. Samosas are delicious and I make the best samosas. Oh, you think they are amazing?
Yes, they are amazing. So delicious.
Oh, samosas are almost ready.
But I'm in love.
Moving on swiftly, we cannot forget eggs. Eggs are a breakfast item, especially if you enjoy eating eggs. And on this day, I decided to make some healthy breakfast. And what am I making? I've used egg, I've used a bit of cinnamon, and I've added a bit of milk. I'm making toast mayai. This one tastes so good with a cup of tea, well brewed African tea. So I go right ahead and do my mixture, and then I'll bring my toast bread. My pan is getting hot there. I've just oil on it. And the next step will be to soak my bread in that mixture and actually place it on the pan. I will let it cook slowly on one side. Once it's well browned, I'm going to turn it on the other side, and then I'll show you how I garnish it. This is how I do it. I'll put like 2 spoonfuls. Then I'll go right ahead and add the yogurt on top. Again. This is our breakfast yogurt with chia seeds combo. Enjoy for those who are going to try. It looks so good. It's like a marble. After you stir it up, you can go right ahead and top it up with your fruits of choice. If you like, strawberry, raspberry are my favorite fruits as well, or berries, yeah? Enjoy and let me know what you think about this video. Give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.